Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel, and for this part 1 of the video, we'll take a look at the new Aftershock Prime-15, which I have officially replaced my 4 years old MSI GS60. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I got this Aftershock Prime-15 at the PC show this year at a shocking price. For a month, I've been comparing various top brands laptops with similar specs, and Aftershock provides the cheapest price I could find. The biggest price difference is very close to 1K, and so, for that reason alone, I could confidently say that this is a steal. As you would expect for the price, there's nothing fancy or extra given by Aftershock. This loot only comes with a charging cable, charging brick, the manual, and of course, the laptop. So, what specs am I talking about? If you're in the market for a gaming laptop, you might have come across the specs of Prime-15. But for those that don't know, here they are. The Prime-15 runs on an 8th Gen 6-core i7-8750H processor, which couples with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Max-Q with 8GB of DDR5 RAMs. I've opted for a single stick of 16GB 2666MHz DDR4 RAMs so that in future, I will be able to upgrade my system with another stick of 16GB RAM. For my main drive, I was given a Samsung 860 EVO M.2 SSD, and my secondary drive is a Seagate FireCuda 1TB solid-state hybrid drive. I know 860 EVO is an old tech, but hey, at least it runs faster than my MSI GS60's 7200 RPM hard drive. To me, this is a huge upgrade. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD 144Hz AHVA wide view display. AHVA, aka Advanced Hyper Viewing Angle Panel, is an IPS light panel with faster refresh rates but with lesser color accuracy. After using it for a month or so, I do not find any color inaccuracy that my eyes could see. So, to me, I'm quite alright with it. The display could only flip up to about 125 degrees, and as you can see, there's some flex mainly due to this slim design. Going down the laptop is the power button right at the center and also a dual speaker setup right below it. After which we see the customizable rubber membrane RGB backlit keyboard. You are able to personalize to light up the whole keyboard with a single color tone or split into 3 sections with 3 different color fields. You may also run it with 7 different onboard color effects, and you are also able to tailor macros for your gaming needs. Lastly is the 5-inch Synaptics Touchpad. I'm not sure which version of the touchpad Aftershock is using, but it is smooth, sensitive, and it comes with 1, 2, and 3 finger gesture control, but it is not clickable. Although you may use gesture control to left and right click, it does come with 2 physical click buttons for convenience sake. To the left side of the laptop, you could see a huge exhaust vent that covers 1/3 of the area, the power inlet, a HDMI port, 2 mini display ports, 2 USB Type-C ports, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. To the right, there's the security lock slot, an Ethernet port, an SD card reader slot, a USB 3.0 port, and both 3.5mm headphone and microphone jack. As we see here, Aftershock are not stingy on ports provided, and definitely no lack of future-proofing on this laptop. Aftershock has brilliantly strategized where the money should go to keep the price of their laptop low, yet keeping its performance high for their customers and still future-proofing their systems. Kudos to the team that have thought this whole process out. Alright, this about wraps up for this part 1 of my Aftershock Prime-15 first impression review. But before we go, here is a bonus for you guys. The Prime-15 has collaborated with Creative Technology to provide us with their Sound Blaster X Pro Gaming 360. It is a top-of-the-line audio engine that provides professionally tuned presets profiles to aid gamers to gain that extra edge over their opponents, and also clarity in their voice communication with their teammates. It is really nice to see local businesses supporting each other, and so that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy this laptop as well. Okay, this is finally the end, and as always, thanks for watching and your continued support. Please hit the like button if you like this video, comment if you have any, and do consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Also, do follow me on my social pages, the links are in the description below. You have a good day, cheers, thanks, bye.